The T-Rex it's one of the most iconic sounds in all of film history. Every sound designer knows it. Almost any kid knows it. When you hear it, you're like, that's the T-Rex. And from day one, Colin and I sat down in my office, and the first thing we did was listen to it and figure out, okay, well, we have another dinosaur that's going to be with the T-Rex in the same film. What are we going to do? I was constantly going back and listening to the T-Rex, and it's just an amazing sound. How do you top it? But it was also, it's inspiration. It's what you aspire to achieve.